Today, I'm going to show you the best trick to create a free NFT on Coinbase Marketplace. And the reason I've been making this video is because I've seen a lot of questions online about how to create an NFT directly on Coinbase NFT Marketplace. And right now, with the beta version of Coinbase NFT Marketplace, it's not super possible to do that. So we're gonna have to use a bit of a workaround to get your newly created NFT over onto Coinbase NFT Marketplace, but I'm gonna show you exactly how to do that right now. And it all starts by first going over to Coinbase.com and then coming over here to this Coinbase wallet section, and you're gonna need to download the Coinbase wallet. Then what you're gonna need to do is just click this button right here and hit add to Chrome. It's gonna check, hit add this extension, and then you're gonna see it added over to Chrome. Right here, Coinbase wallet extension has been added to Chrome, X out of that. And then you can create a new wallet or add a wallet that you already have by importing the seed phrase. And keep in mind that you can do this with MetaMask as well, but since we're talking about Coinbase NFT Marketplace, I'm doing everything with Coinbase wallet. And so that you can see every step along the way, we're gonna hit create a new wallet and then pick out a new username. And the username that we're gonna use is Satoshi, let's say 469. See if that's available, not available, add another number, 4698. Perfect. Hit submit, and then we're gonna need to back up our wallet or write down the seed phrase. And this is the seed phrase right here, which you can see, payment, delay, refuse, all of these random words all tied together make up your seed phrase or your private key. And it's important to remember never to share the seed phrase with anybody. Don't write it down on your notes app. Don't write it down on your computer. Don't take a photo of it. Write it down somewhere physical and somewhere secure, and never share it with anybody. And if you get any emails from Coinbase or MetaMask or any other platform, OpenSea or Coinbase, asking you to give them your seed phrase to verify your account, don't do that. It's a scam and they're gonna take all of your crypto assets. And the only reason I'm sharing this wallet on my screen right now with you is so you can see this process and what a seed phrase looks like, but after this video, I'm destroying this wallet and I'm never gonna use it. We're gonna have to check this box and then hit continue, and then you have to pick the first and last word of your seed phrase to confirm that you got it correct. And this one is gonna be payment, so find payment and then stable. If we're gonna find stable right there. Hit submit, and then we're good to go, and let's make up a password as well. And now we can see that our wallet is ready, and when we come up here to Chrome, we're gonna see Coinbase wallet extension, and I'm just gonna pin that up top for easy access. Now the next thing we need to do is come over here to nft.coinbase.com, and now we're gonna hit sign in, and we're gonna sign in with Coinbase wallet because we just made up our new wallet. We're gonna get this window pop up right here, hit connect, hit sign, and then we're gonna need to add a new username for Coinbase Marketplace. I'm just gonna put as well Satoshi 469. You're also gonna need to use an email and then hit continue as well. So you can add a bit of a bio and a username, but you don't have to, and you can skip this right now. You can also add a profile photo. Verify your email, so yes, you're gonna need to check that. I'm just gonna hit got it, show me my profile. And now this is your profile on Coinbase NFT Marketplace, which you may have seen in one of my other videos going in depth on this marketplace. And as you click around and see, you're not gonna be able to create natively on this marketplace at this point an NFT from scratch. So if you do want to create your own NFT and have it show up on Coinbase NFT Marketplace so you can sell it or just display it on there, we're gonna need to actually go over to OpenSea at this time and connect our wallet. So come up here on the right, hit Coinbase wallet. We're gonna need to connect that. We get this window, hit connect. Always make sure to check the permissions that it's asking for as well. It's gonna let us see your wallet balance and activity, let us request transactions, and funds will not leave your wallet until you execute a transaction. So hit connected right there, and boom, now we're all good to go. Now what you're gonna do on OpenSea, since it has this nice feature, and hopefully it's coming soon to Coinbase NFT Marketplace, we're just gonna come up here to create. Now we're also gonna need to sign and accept the OpenSea terms and conditions, so just hit sign right there, and now it's gonna bring us to the create section on OpenSea. And these are the only steps we're gonna have to do and fill out when we create our own NFT. So the first step is having an image. So I'm just gonna drag over this image of Iceland. Boom, there's our image for our NFT. It can be anything, just make sure that it's an appropriate format. And these are the list of all of the appropriate formats right here. Now, next thing we're gonna do is just name this Iceland test. How about that? And if there's any sort of external link, we're gonna add that, but we don't need to do this for this test NFT. But if you are making an actual collection and you have a website, go ahead and link that here. Next, we're just gonna make a description for our NFT so everyone can see what it is. And I'm just gonna put, this is an Iceland test NFT. Now you can also select a collection once you create them within OpenSea. You can add properties, you can add different levels, different stats, different unlockable content, or check if it has explicit or sensitive content. And then you can also put the supply for this NFT, but we're just gonna leave all of those blank for right now. Next, you can choose your blockchain. We're gonna leave it on Ethereum. We could go Polygon, and soon you could go Platin or Solana. And then the last step is just to come down here and hit create. Now it says it's almost done. They're gonna want us to do this little CAPTCHA and then make sure that we're a real human. So check all the crosswalks, hit verify. It's gonna say, please wait for a little bit, and then it's gonna tell us that it created our NFT. And boom, here you go. You get this window. You created Iceland test. You can hit X, and then right here you see this NFT. You can see that this is your description right here. You can see that it's currently in an untitled collection. It is owned by you, and this is the name. You can see this nice, beautiful image that I just found online. And you can also see that it was minted 23 seconds ago. And once you've created your NFT, you'll come over here to your profile on OpenSea, and you can see that you do have this NFT in your profile. Then you can go over to Coinbase, go over to your profile, and you're gonna see this NFT also show up there because it's in the same Coinbase wallet. Even though you created it on OpenSea, it's still gonna show up over on the Coinbase marketplace. So that's the workaround to create your own NFTs and have them show up on the Coinbase marketplace. Currently, you do have to use OpenSea, but hopefully in the future, hopefully very soon, we can create NFTs natively right through Coinbase. So that's it for today's video. Let me know what questions you have, if any. I'm happy to help down below in the comments. And if you need to protect your crypto and NFTs, go check my link down below in the description to get a Ledger hardware wallet.